What'd you get?
Your bike.
Nicholas, what'd you get? Did you? I guess you was a good boy.
Oh my.
Can you smile?
Here, ride your bike. Let me take
Let's
your
see you
picture.
ride your bike.
Can you ride on the rug?
Make it go. Make it go. Oh, that's a boy.
Look at mommy.
Did you get some candy too?
Did you get your little girl? Look at what else you got.
Hi, April.
A new watch.
Hi. Happy Easter.
Here, stand her up by the table now. Take her picture.
Stand them around the other side of the table is what you need to do.
Move, Nicholas. Move. April. Move, Nicholas. Look at this is for you. Look. Little bunny. Look. You want to get on? Here, move, Nicholas. April. You want to get on?
In a minute.
Here, Nick. Sit on your bike and hold your basket and I'll take your picture. Because I said so. Okay, wait a minute. Hold still.
You like your bike?
Cute. Is it hard to put it?
Oh, man, was it?
Wow, that's a sharp one. Look at the blue wheels.
Wow.
You got a red and yellow and blue.
And green.
How about that?
How about green?
How about green?
And green.
Out in the garden, huh? Nicholas, did you pick this flower out?
Yeah.
He told me. As soon as he came up. I got you a flower. I said, were you supposed to keep it a secret? He said, yeah. Thank
You
you.
picked that card out too.
Thank you, Nicholas.
April,
What
what you doing? It worked out well. I got a yellow one and another one, and I was thinking you would wear yellow, and I didn't know what mom was gonna wear, so.
Oh, well, you can wear the yellow. Here, give this to Grandma.
The what?
The yellow one.
I don't have any of that.
Huh?
Whatever she wants.
No, it don't matter. I was thinking she was gonna wear a yellow dress today, but she didn't.
Shouldn't have done anything. I didn't really do anything that much.
Well, that's fine.
Like it? Like it?
I sure did. That's pretty. Thank you, Nick.
Tell Grandma you're welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome. That's really pretty.
Thank you,
You like that card?
Okay, no, wait a minute.
April's pulling everything out.
Okay. Here, Joe, you get on with him. No. Come here, Nick.
Thank you, Mommy.
Like it?
I sure do.
Look at that color.
Oh, you got a basket too? You must wait, huh?
Here one. Look at it.
Go, Grandma.